Hey y'all, today on the Oblivion you'll be learning how to get 30 pick locks at any level. There's a merchant outside of Imperial City. First you want to go to fast travel to Chestnut Henderson Stables. You're going to look at the door and then go to the left. Follow this siding. You'll see a little bush. Should. Yeah, let's see a little bush, the rock, the bush. Right over here. Bam.
You need something?
Right down there.
Can I interest you in some of my wares?
Yeah, he sells, potions, disease, cures, whatever. And he sells this, 30 pick locks. You only need 180 gold. Not that hard to get. Voila.
Come see me anytime, friend. I'm here next.
Now you have, you will have 30 pick locks.
All night.
Alrighty. See ya.